Excuse me? None wedding plan will come for talk about, miss?
Come in, 1 minute.
Me can't get by the phone, please. Me talk to my fiancé.
Oh, come on. You should be more excited than this. You're getting married. And to a pastor at that. That's a big deal. For you.
How so? Pastors get married all the time. I was about Gladstone. No disrespect, but it's a big deal for me. Do explain.
All right, Gladstone. Talk to you later. You know how society is. Once you don't look like them, straight discrimination. And this prejudice can be based on the person's appearance, how him look, job, you name it. The list goes on and on. I've had my fair share of it. But it didn't stop me from going after what I want. You understand?
May I listen?
Listen, people will try to belittle you, threaten you about your past, spreading tales about how you're not good enough for a pastor to marry. Don't listen to them. All of that is what I call white noise. If you know what that means.
No, I don't know what that means. White noise, loud noise, nice and nice. But we're on the same page.
Good. Just make sure you're ready to play your part.
With all due respect, the part of me I play, you don't need to know that. That is not your business. Yeah, that can me and my husband business. When me and my husband want from you, are your blessing.
And it was already granted. But enough of that. Come sit. Tell me, what did you find with him?
You sure me you want to answer? Or Gladstone? I'm sure him tell you all of this already.
No need to be ashamed of your past.
Oh, him tell you already. FYI, me not shame of my past. Him left out the part there.
Okay, let me break the ice for you. I run a foundation that helps young women all over the country. And I've been running this project for about 20 years, helping countless women. I have got a lot of investors involved, so we can expand our operations all over the world. You listen to me. I know what it is like to be hustling on the streets. It was never easy, but I made it out of that life because of my husband. So I made it my mission to dedicate myself to helping young people in this world. I myself have adopted 2 young ladies to live under my roof because of domestic violence. And it was worth it. So you see, we have a lot in common.
I guess so.
So this is where you come in now. I want you to help Gladstone and I to get more young people who have a need for this program, young girls. I know you will be a great asset to this team. And note, with all the good we're doing, we still have to be watching our backs.
And trust me, that me can relate on. Because as much as me dep on a new part right now, me have to still watch over my shoulder. But I want to start for help back people, but the right way this time. Thanks to Gladstone for showing me another way, and to you too for this opportunity, and trust me, I'm on board. Wait, you pay?
Welcome to the family. I'm hoping for a fruitful partnership.
Oh, me too. And see you at the wedding.
Gladstone, she's perfect.
You know me not trust that bitch there.